To the latest now on abortion in Arizona. It's in a judge's hands on what's next for state law.
Yeah, both sides argued whether the pre-Roe abortion ban should be allowed to take effect. Ashley Holden there in the courtroom sharing the big takeaways tonight.
Attorneys for Planned Parenthood telling me that they expected the intense questioning that they got from the three-judge panel, but the attorney representing Attorney General Mark Brnovich's office responding to questions for even longer than his allotted time. There's currently an emergency stay on what's known as the territorial law, so it's not being enforced. The main debate, what is the law here in Arizona? The territorial law, which was put in place before Arizona was even a state, or the 15-week law passed last legislative session. Attorneys representing Planned Parenthood and Pima County arguing the statutes need to be harmonized, presenting ways that could happen and pushing for clarity. The Attorney General's office arguing the statutes can coexist and prosecutorial discretion can be used. After we pressed attorneys from both sides about the stances they presented.
There are multiple aggravating or overlapping laws for different situations. Doesn't give rise to confusion or conflict. You look at all of them together.
We believe that the legislature has passed this detailed regulatory scheme over the last 5 decades that must be given effect and allow abortions to continue as provided by licensed physicians, and that the territorial era ban can apply to the rest of the world who's not operating under that regulatory scheme.
And attorneys from both sides couldn't tell us when a decision could come, but the judges adjourning today just saying that they will take this under consideration. In Tucson, Ashley Holden, ABC15 Arizona.
A little more context here. Governor-elect Katie Hobbs told ABC15 during her campaign repealing that territorial era law would be her first priority. Hobbs said she would call a special session on day one to do it. Her inauguration is set for January 5th.